Hey, listen, I quit. Yeah, I'm going into stocks.
Name of the game. Move the money from your client's pocket into your pocket.
But if you can make your clients money at the same time, it's advantageous to everyone, correct?
No.
No one is paying attention.
It's unbelievable.
Have to act now.
God, this is intimate. I feel like I'm financially inside of you or something.
Okay.
I have 5 houses and a condo.
I'm considering going long on April wheat. What do you think, Valentine?
I am going to teach you in this video how to trade cryptocurrency in 2024 like a professional. My promise to you is after this video, you should be in a very good position to make healthy, non-delinquent trades and allocations. While I am a professional investor and advisor, you are responsible for your own investment decisions, and I will not be held liable for any trades you decide to make. Let's jump right in. To make this video easier to digest, I am going to break everything into very simple steps that even Mr. Bean can follow.
You're a goddamn genius!
Step 1. Select at least 3 cryptocurrencies that have a low circulating supply and have price history from the last bear market at least. This is important because circulating supply will influence how much impact demand will have on price. In other words, how far the price will go. We want to also ensure your coin has some trading history. New token launches are often scams. I don't think we have to mention SafeMoon, Merchant Token, Terra Luna, etc.
What's up,
Let's take Filecoin as an example. It survived the most recent bear market, has a reasonably low circulating supply relative to, say, Cardano. No hard feelings if you really think Cardano will be your next 100x bagger. Filecoin is an example of a coin that I would consider as investable at the right price. Step 2. Understand that the crypto market is the unregulated Wild West, where greed is king. This means traders and investors will purchase tokens like Filecoin and Ethereum first as opposed to Bitcoin. Tokens with centralized control often can be manipulated higher, allowing the founders to benefit the most in a kind of pump and dump. Just take a look at Cosmos's Atom token.
We just want to pop you off.
I wonder who was buying Atom at $44 a token, and I wonder who made all that money selling it to them. I'll leave that to your imagination. So remember to go after the reliable altcoins first before heading for BTC. Step 3. Open a chart and decide what cheap versus expensive looks like. No offense, but I am seriously cheesed off with all those mobile gamified apps. How can anyone trade on those things? Next, they'll put emojis for every time you click the button.
But I was kidding, for God's sakes. Doesn't anybody have a sense of humor?
Okay, seriously. If you're not trading with a chart, you are already in trouble. Let's run through an example price chart analysis, and before you start with the not another technical analysis video, I am a from 2008 veteran trader and investor. I manage a 7-figure fund, and I personally invest my money in addition to trading derivatives with a high degree of success. Okay, now that's out of the way, let's look again at Filecoin. We will take my method for trading cryptocurrencies in steps. Step 1. Open up a weekly chart. We will use this time frame chart to determine whether the market is in a discount or a premium. In the case of Filecoin, it had an initial coin offering at $10 and rallied to $230. This was clearly a pump and dump. I know some of you still have those Filecoin bags. Anyway, Filecoin was clearly trading at a discount. This will only be clear to you from looking at a weekly chart. Step 2. Understand your fundamentals. It's absolutely no good buying a crypto coin at the start of a bear market. Let's take 2021. The Fed was announcing a series of rate hikes. This was likely going to take money away from other assets into the US dollar that was now offering more yield for less risk. Do you think it was a good idea to invest in a 60K Bitcoin?
No.
It's all about timing. Anyone who tells you different has no useful real-world investing experience. If you are planning to huddle for the next decade like the legendary sailor, then tune off now and good luck. This video is not for you.
Holy shit.
Step 3. It's time to find some buy zones or short selling zones. How do we do this? First, we need to look at the float rotation on the week. There is no need to drop time frames to do this. We can determine this from the weekly chart. We can see on the February 13th week, 2023, the float was beastly. Filecoin was trading at a high $9.49 from a low of $2.40. This implies the float is more than likely selling. Second, Wait for some confirmation. This was confirmed the following week with prices closing lower on the week. This was a perfect opportunity to go short. 30. Plan your exit. We can see the prior low was $2.40, but this late in the bear market with a Bitcoin halving in 2024, anything back to $3 should see you covering that position. I follow this principle always, and if I was buying Filecoin, I would have paid an average of $3.30 and sold between now and a potential $9 back to the prior high. As an investor or trader, you can't succumb to your emotions or feelings of where you think a crypto is going to rise to. In July 2021, many people believed that Bitcoin was going to reach 100K. This meant many buyers at 50K held on expecting this outcome, only to realize it was all just marketing. I am not saying these crypto coins can't exceed their all-time highs, I just won't bank on it. I always let the charts guide me. Don't be an ape and bag holder. Hope this video helped you become a better crypto investor. If it did, then you know what to do. If you want to see more content like this from me and other channels like this, then hit the like and subscribe button. Or you can continue watching Mr. Beast videos. Till my next video. Adios!
Hey, listen, I quit. Yeah, I'm going into stocks.
Name of the game. Move the money from your client's pocket into your pocket.
But if you can make your clients money at the same time, it's advantageous to everyone, correct?
No one is paying attention.
It's unbelievable.
Have to act now.
God, this is intimate. I feel like I'm financially inside of you or something.
Okay.
I have 5 houses and a condo.
I'm considering going long on April wheat. What do you think, Valentine?